What's this?
Warning for northwestern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southern Connecticut, southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts. Number 2. That's becoming variable. 35 miles per hour. Along a line extension from Holyoke to expect damage to trees and power lines. Detected includes Springfield. Source. South Windsor, Simsbury, Ludlow, Bloomfield, Avon, and South Hadley. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts. Here is excessive heat and
I don't know. Yep, it's an SVR.
time. For 11 miles east of 2 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near the hazards included 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect considerable damage to trees and power lines. Damage is likely to mobile homes and downed buildings. Locations affected include Worcester, Shrewsbury, Ludlow, Grafton, Holden, Waywater, Southbridge, Auburn, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Northborough, Oxford, Millbury, Charlton, Spencer, Dudley, Leicester, and Sturbridge. Palmer, Spencer, Dudley, Leicester, and Sturbridge. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin and Worcester.
Sorry I was late for that one.
Northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 7:15 p.m. in northern Connecticut, western Norfolk. Providence County in Rhode Island, until 7:15 p.m.
Now through August 10th. Learn about
Providence, Newton, Pawtucket, Framingham, Woonsocket, Marlborough, Shrewsbury.
shoe that moves with them. And Skechers Stretch Fit's soft, stretchable material contours to their busy feet. It's a perfect fit. And not only do they fit like a dream, they perform like one too.
Here it is.
Connecticut, Western Norfolk. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe... Northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Spencer to New Wilmington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted in North Attleboro, Milford, Wellesley, Framingham, Woonsocket, Marlborough, Shrewsbury, Cumberland, Natick, North Providence, Franklin, Needham, Johnson, North Attleboro, Milford, Wellesley, Attleboro, Dedham, and Walpole.